Today's one of those updates that the progress just really isn't very much. I've had a very busy day today. I did a lot of work for the blog. I had a lot of things I had to do around the house, run the youngest kid to a doctor's appointment, so I have not had any time to work on the village build. Yesterday, though, I did manage to get all 5 of those risers that the houses on the back side of the mountain sit on, all covered in spackling, so they're pretty much seamless. For the most part. You can still see a few, but it's not going to be that bad. I think once I add a little bit of paint, you're really not going to even see those. But painting would be next, and I'm not ready to do any painting because I still want to create the facade to go on the front of the mountain. I'm not going to do that until the next project. My husband and I were talking about this the other day, and we decided that we're going to add another little platform in front of the train tunnel box. So that white box, we're going to add another little platform. So he's got to build that, and I think he's going to do that either tomorrow or the next day. In the meantime, while he does that and I have free time, which I'm really busy with the blog right now, so I don't know if I'm going to get to it. I hope to get to it. I'm going to work on building my end tunnel here. I want it to slope off, so I'm just going to have to stack my styrofoam pieces a certain way, and then I will do some carving. I will also try my best to do a video on how I carve my styrofoam. I have to do it outside in the garage because the smell gets too much in the house, and it can get kind of loud out there, so hopefully tomorrow's a quiet day, or the day that I end up doing it is a quiet day, so I can do a video. Then as far as the train track, I did make a little adjustment with that. I decided to go with a big oval again like I did last year. I took out the curves. That way it's not taking up as much real estate as what I did have it laid out. The only problem I have is, for whatever reason, I cannot get it to quite line up like it was last year, so I need to go and grab a couple more one more package of the straight pieces. I think Hobby Lobby has them. If not, then I have to go to a hobby shop, and that probably won't happen until this weekend. So the train track might have to, well, it's going to have to wait for a while because we still have to build our bridges. So that's kind of where I'm at with the village build right now. It is definitely a slow process, and that is exactly why I started it when I did, is, so I have a few months to get it built. My goal is to have it done by November 1st, though.